In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage sales leads in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to refine your lead management process, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you're making the most of your CRM. Let's kick things off by capturing or creating a new lead. You have the option to enter a lead manually, or you can import multiple leads from sources like Excel, online forms, or marketing campaigns. Capturing every potential prospect into your CRM is crucial because it ensures no opportunity slips through the cracks. If you don't capture leads effectively, you might miss out on valuable business. Once you've captured your leads, the next step is to fill in the lead details. Adding information such as the contact name, company, phone number, email, source of the lead, and their specific interest helps in assessing the viability of the lead. More importantly, it provides your sales team with essential context to tailor their approach. The more detailed your lead information, the better prepared your sales reps will be to engage effectively. After detailing your leads, assigning them is essential. You can use assignment rules defined within Dynamics 365 or manually allocate them to a specific sales representative or team. This step ensures accountability, as each lead is owned by someone responsible for its progression, preventing any lead from being overlooked. Moving on, nurturing and following up with leads is all about maintaining active engagement and monitoring their progress. You should diligently log calls, send emails, and create tasks for each lead. Sending timely follow-ups can make a huge difference in keeping your prospects engaged and showing them that you're interested in meeting their needs. The next crucial step is to qualify or disqualify leads based on their potential. If a lead has strong potential, you'll want to qualify it, which essentially means you believe it's worth investing time and resources into pursuing further. On the other hand, some leads may not be a good fit and should be disqualified. Taking this step helps streamline your sales process by focusing efforts on leads that hold the most promise. Once a lead is qualified, converting it into a contact, account, and opportunity becomes necessary. This conversion signifies moving the lead into the actual sales pipeline, allowing your team to begin the formal sales process and strategize accordingly. It's an exciting transition because it marks the beginning of a potentially fruitful customer relationship. Finally, monitoring your leads through tracking and reporting ensures you're making data-driven decisions. Using the available dashboards, charts, and views, like My Leads or Leads Needing Follow-up, can give you comprehensive insights into what's working, what isn't, and where there might be bottlenecks. Staying on top of these analytics and reports is invaluable for any sales manager looking to refine their strategies for best results. By following these steps in a structured manner within Microsoft Dynamics 365, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your lead management process. Thanks for watching, and I hope these insights help you capitalize on every lead opportunity.